What's up, guys? This is the 1/20th scale 6-function RC mini engineering forklift truck, which is ready to run, and we received this from rcmoment.com for free to review. This is by a company called RUI CHUANG from China, I believe. And it's a remote control forklift, which has 6 different functions. It goes left to right, forward, backward, and the forklift goes up and down. It comes with a crate, which is cardboard, and 4 cones, and it also has this pallet for picking up the crate. Here's a closer look at the forklift. It uses 4 AAA batteries, which are right here. It comes with 4 rechargeable batteries, and the remote control uses a 9-volt battery, which is not included. Here's a closer look at the forklift, which is pretty cool. Looks really realistic. I've never driven an actual forklift before, but I've seen many of them. This is a fun toy that Jonah's been playing with for many hours. He's gone through a couple sets of batteries. It does come with the rechargeable NiCads, but nothing to charge it with, and I don't have a NiCad battery charger, so I've been using regular AAA alkaline batteries, and Jonah's gone through about 2 sets. And here's the forklift. Closer look at it functioning. Let me take the crate off, the pallet. Goes. So yeah, this is a pretty fun toy that Jonah's gonna be playing with a lot in the future, and he'll be using this in the future videos, probably on some of our Monster Jam videos, to pick up some of our Monster Jam monster trucks from the races. And Jonah's been having plenty of fun with this forklift, picking up things around the house, his toys, whatnot. RCMoment.com's prices are not bad for remote control cars. These are not like professional or quality. They're more like toy remote control cars, and they do the job, and they're pretty fun to play with, especially this forklift. And they have plenty of other different remote control cars on their site. So go check out rcmoment.com. If you like this forklift, I'll put there's a link in the description. If you'd like to order it, again, there's that a coupon code. So here we go.